SIRM with Fleet and Cloud Follower offers an integrated solution for fleet management with advanced tracking and performance monitoring features and new responsive web interface. You can access the platform through Follower SIRM's pro.it address and entering the username and password provided. When you log, the system shows the world map with the location of all the ships in the fleet. Through the zoom bar you can zoom the view on a specific geographic area. Beyond a certain zoom level, the platform shows the nautical cartography (CMAP). If you click on one of the ships in the fleet, Followers shows an information window on the left of the screen that summarizes all the details of the specific ship. The left panel is composed of a header with the name of the ship and 6 information panels. The first, Ship Dashboard, showing the summary of the last noon report received, the coordinates of the ship, the course over ground, speed over the ground, the heading and ETA of the next port, if provided by the tracking system used. The header information has 4 LEDs that indicate if the ship has adequate speed, if the level of consumption is in line with the company's regulations, if the ship is en route, and if updates the positions properly. In the left section of the screen for each individual ship, you can also view other information, among which are ship performance, a section with charts generated by the main parameters and reports that indicate the latest fuel consumption levels recorded and the relationship between speed and RPM. Also, you can see the original version of the last report sent from the ship, divided by report category as noon and daily, and, if properly configured, you can see the schedule of the ship with the pro forma values of arrival and departure in each ports and actual values recorded by the platform. The last 2 sections offer the possibility to consult any onboard cameras and instant messages exchanged from ship that we can define vessel tweet. Follower allows continuous and accurate monitoring of the fleet through the use of Inmarsat-C, on-board AIS, or using the SIRM Cloud Gateway connected to Fleet Broadband or VSAT modem. Thanks to the acquisition and management of onboard messages, Noon Daily, the use of CMAP, professional media forecast service, and other advanced control functionality, Follower is a tool for improving fleet operations and remote risk management processes. Follower is the ideal solution for a proactive approach to voyage management and for a complete control of the fleet in a simple and intuitive way. The real-time tracking and tools for processing and analyzing data, consumption, speed, bunkers, ensure continuous performance monitoring of ships, and simple tools to manage compliance with the MRV regulation of the European Union. Fleet management capabilities is activated via a pop-up menu on the right side of the screen. This panel provides access to all features of fleet management and consists of 6 sub-menus to access specific areas of service. The first menu, Fleet View, allows you to view all the details of the fleet with a list of all vessels registered on the platform. From the menu you can click on one of the ships of the list and immediately see its last known position. It is also possible to manage the information of each individual vessel, such as name, IMO number, rated speed, average consumption levels, and other information. For medium and large fleets you have the option to split the fleet in display groups for easier management of activities. The second menu allows you to reconstruct the route of one of the ships in the fleet and to analyze each position report sent to the platform. Reconstruction can be done by indicating 2 specific dates of beginning and end, or through the use of shortcuts to browse the last 7, 14, 21 or 28 days. The reconstruction of the route is shown on the map, and through a player can move the ship in time. Through the player you can set the playback speed for ease of reference, and you can check out the weather conditions recorded during the voyage. Through this menu you also have the opportunity to access the database of reports sent from the vessel. Follower allows you to analyze various types of information, including a graphic reconstruction of the data contained in daily and noon reports, with the ability to choose which information to display in the chart. The platform allows exporting reports into Excel format for further processing in the company's departmental software. In the section Manage POI and Areas, you can configure and manage points of interest on the map. A point of interest can be a port, a dock, a bunkering, etc. Whenever one of the ships in the fleet touches the point of interest, the platform sends a notification to one or more recipients specified in the notification list of the ship. You can also create sensitive areas. An area is a set of coordinates that defines a space on the map. Every time a ship enters or exits the area, a notification is generated. The area may have the characterizations as such a warning area, for example at-risk piracy areas, or simple notification area. As with the eco areas, an area can be directly drawn on the map with a graphical tool, or you can import the area waypoints from a file generated by other systems. When you create an area, you can also associate the risk level of the same. Through the Show Alerts command, you can see all the ships that are within a specific area, such as the European ECA area, or near a point of interest such as the Dardanelles. All of these tools make it very simple management of even a very high number of vessels and allow to activate the notifications of events of interest to those who manage the operations. The route management function allows you to set a specific ship route to follow between those previously created on follower platform. After assigning a route to a ship, the follower's platform will carry out a continuous control of the position and course, reporting any off-route positions. To create a route, you can use the graphical tool available on the platform, or import it into one of the supported formats, including JRCECDIS, SPUS or TXT files. The course control also allows you to view the weather conditions expected along the selected route. By advancing the ship along the route on the basis of the set speed, SIRM will implement in the near future the weather routing capabilities, allowing you to adapt, in real time, the route to the identified weather conditions. You will be able to define threshold values for weather parameters such as wave height, surface currents, etc., and define the shortest route or the most secure one. At the request, Follower allows you to manage even route planning in a collaborative manner between the ship and land offices. The route can be imported directly from ECDIS, and the office will approve or modify the route decided by the master of the ship. Follower offers a complete system for the management of the weather forecasts with global coverage. With information provided by one of the industry leaders, Epson Media, the weather forecast is presented as a layer on the cartography, with the ability to view different parameters, including height, direction and period of the wave, speed and direction of surface currents, wind, swell and temperature, with a forecast up to 72 hours. Follower offers 2 display modes, standard and simplified, to provide the best user experience to the customer. In addition, with the weather layer active, clicking anywhere on the map you can check the weather conditions at that particular point. Follower also allows you to download weather data for a specific route. By selecting them on the map, the waypoint of interest data is downloaded in Excel format and can be distributed by mail to ships. Finally, activating the daily notification system, you can receive, for each vessel, 1 or more daily email with a screenshot of the location and the weather forecast for the area. Follower is the ideal solution for the management of your fleet, with the possibility of having a single point of access to all information necessary for an effective and efficient management of resources, and with intuitive and powerful tools to collect, classify, analyze and manage all the information that daily send the ship to the company. The completely web-based access allows you to have access from fixed locations in the office, with the ability to create a real control room for the fleet, and through the use of a smartphone or a tablet, being able to manage with a few clicks all major tasks. Follower makes it easy to manage your fleet,